Hey, I'm Tommy. So, this channel, Jerry Saval, challenged a bunch of people to make their own remote control cars, and I'm running out of time, so I'm just gonna go Willie Osman style and make a fast piece of trash. So, here's my car. I'm gonna call my car Boximus Prime. Alright, so this car's only gonna go forward, but that's okay because forward's the best direction. It's the direction of progress. Alright, here we are several minutes later, and now we have an assembled Boximus Prime, which is a remote-controlled piece of cardboard. A lot of turning action there. Last try. There we go. Alright, well, that was it. I think it was kind of a failure, but if you think it was faster than Jerry Saval's, let him know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Oh, and also subscribe, and if you haven't already subscribed to him, do that too. Alright, bye.